My name is Marcus, I'm the great entertainer. When I clean the windows, yes, it ain't no stranger. Try to clean the window faster than me, you'll be in danger like a caution sign. My tell will blow your mind. I'm cleaning more windows than your whole lifetime. You know I'm black, and my skills are all that. Put the high five behind me, clean the window with my back. The one use of Wagtail and took my soul. Just like the black hole, I was cleaning more windows than the tree grows mold. My name is Marcus, I'm the great entertainer. When I clean the windows, yes, it ain't no stranger. Try to clean the window faster than me, you'll be in danger like a caution sign. My tell will blow your mind. I'm cleaning more windows than your whole lifetime. You know I'm black, and my skills are all that. Put the high five behind me, clean the window with my back. The one use of Wagtail and took my soul. Just like the black hole, I was cleaning more windows than the tree grows mold.
I love this tool. This is one of my favorites, even though the High Flyer is a favorite of mine. And it's a tool, none other like anything on this earth. This right here is the lightest, smoothest tool you will ever use in your entire life. I guarantee you that. It is so fluent, so smooth, and it cuts like butter. This outperforms any tool, especially for a one pass. This particular one is a prototype from Wagtail, but it has a scrubby thing on here and it's water fed. That's the only difference. Most of my tools, if you see this goes down about a half an inch. I always have to bring it to the side. And the reason why is because nothing fits down in there flush to get a good clean close off, except for this tool. Watch. I know you can't see the soap, but I assure you it's there. You see how it has no problem closing off? No problem closing off when the ledge is receded a half an inch down. And you see how it just is enough to get that ledge without hitting this. It bypasses it. But yeah, man, today my mixture is a little OxyClean laundry detergent and vinegar, and trust me, it works very well. The glide is still there. For those who don't know, you really don't need much soap with this pad. It glides like butter, I'm telling you. You can have the littlest amount of soap, unless of course you're using that soap for visibility purposes. All I can say is learn how to squeegee properly. You won't need to see what you're doing. The only thing different I forgot to also add is that the flange is special. It's flared a little bit more. And I think Willie did that for a couple of reasons. One, for better closeout, and secondly, so that the sponge has a little bit more soap to travel to disappear behind the channel. If the flange is different, the soap won't get trapped behind the sponge right here and the rubber itself, because it'll have somewhere to go a little quicker than one that wasn't flared so much. I assure you it's a better design. I've been working with this for a while now, I don't know. Willie's probably fine tuning this model, but I don't know yet. All right, so here's what I propose. If we have a lot of hearsayers instead of naysayers, comment below and let me know, would you want this model Wagtail? This is only to work in conjunction with a water-fed system or a portable water-fed system. That you would have to source out on your own or make your own. But the tool will be available. I'm sure I don't know how many people or how many hearsayers would Willie need to actually go ahead and move on this model, because there was a couple other models Willie never moved on, and I think he should have, which was the Wagtail Flow. That's a fantastic tool. It just needed a little bit of tweaking, but he didn't finish it. So this is perfect. There's nothing that really needs to be changed on this, I must say. As much as I change things to my personality, this is my personality. This was actually made in myself in mind. Willie actually made this with my concept of the way I work, and nothing needs to be changed, man. And for Willie to jump on this, I think you should comment below, and I think this is a tool you're going to want to have, because you're going to start seeing this type of tool very soon. The original Wagtail power pivot is just like this, except without all the bells and whistles. This is Masters at Wagtail. Hope you enjoyed the show. Bam!